Hello fellow shopperoos, Chad here, and on today's episode I'm going to show you a quick version of an Asian-inspired bench. Now, if you're new to the show, I'd ask you to please like and subscribe. And of course, if you're a regular viewer of the show, well, please share this with others on your social media. So without further ado, here's the bench. Well, I hope you liked that Asian-inspired bench that I did there. As you notice, I just made it out of a simple 2x12, and yes, I did use hand tools on it, but there's no reason why you cannot apply power tools to it. So if you would like to see more videos like this, again, please subscribe. And we have 3 different videos that we offer each week. On Monday, we offer a video that spotlights what you, the woodworker, is building in your shop and how you can inspire others. On Wednesday, I tell you what I'm building in my shop and answer viewer email questions. And of course, on Fridays, we try to have a project video, a quick tip, or some other informative video to make you a better woodworker. So until next time, thanks for watching and keep on dancing.